everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my kitchen. Today I have an interesting item here, and the people at AUVON were nice enough to send me this wheelchair cushion. I guess it's a wheelchair cushion. This is the manual for it. So it's a wheelchair cushion. I do not have a wheelchair, but I will be giving this away to somebody with one. But we're gonna give this thing a try. We're gonna check it out and see how it looks. And I'll give you guys a little review on how cushy it is for me. But then I'll have to update in the comments once I give this one away to see how the actual customer likes it. I am not in a wheelchair, so I don't actually have the need for it. So here's the instructions. I'll kind of show it to you. This is the one side if you need it. You can probably pause it and zoom in. And then there's the other side as well. Not a whole lot of information. I mean, it's a cushion for a wheelchair. Definitely. It's not rocket science here, folks. Okay, so this is the concept. So you see, it's got this side here with the little rubbery things, to kind of give it a little bit of grip. And then it's got some handles, a handle on the side here to hold it with, and you've got a strap. So, concept is you'll put it on your wheelchair. Let's see how they do it here. Yeah, so, I mean, the straps will go around. I'll put it on for you. So we'll attach the strap through the loop. There's that side. And then, got all sorts of stuff going on here. Okay. There's that. And then this one will go on this side. So we have, so slight assembly required. We'll put this together here. There we go. So now we have the strap on it. And you can see we can clip it like a regular belt, just in there. And so that'll go around the, wow, that was weird. That'll go around the back of the wheelchair, but I'll just pretend that my chair is a wheelchair here. Put it on. And I'm gonna sit on it. Ooh, that's nice and cushy. Actually, might just use it here, not give it away. But there we go, so that's it. It gives you a nice padded cushion. I'll show you what the cushion looks like here. So this is it. It's got a nice memory foam kind of insert, I think is what's going on in there, because it is kind of squishy. And then it's got a rounded front, so your legs won't feel, you won't get a line on it from there. So it's pretty comfortable, it looks nice. It's got a little zipper thing here. Let's just open it up and see what it looks like inside for fun, if I can. It's very tight in there. Well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. Yeah, out of luck. Okay, I cannot open it right now, but probably if you need to, you could cut it and open it. For some reason, it's just not opening right now, but I'm guessing it's just a memory foam inside of it. Pretty comfortable, but that's what it looks like here. You can just totally hold it like that and put it on any wheelchair, or any chair for that matter. Seems pretty comfortable. And it's by AUVON. So there, I'm a little taller now. How do you like it? Okay, thanks for watching. I'll put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other reviews soon. Thank you, bye.